Ìfàkọ̀ìjayé, Ìfàkọ̀ìjayé television. Ìfàkọ̀ìjayé, Ìfàkọ̀ìjayé television. Gbangba làṣàǹtà àwọ̀ kí ìlú mọ̀. Olúwa ló fi rán wa adé ọ̀kín òjò tẹ̀yẹkẹ́yẹ.
Ìfàkọ̀ìjayé television. Keep watching.
Warmest greetings to you all, wherever you may be watching us from, home or abroad. It is my pleasure to welcome you once again to yet another episode of your program, Catalyst for Youth Empowerment. Today, we have a new topic to be discussed. And what is the topic? Do we still have parents upbringing their lads to be resourceful, marriage materials, being useful for themselves and the community at large? Let me read the topic again. Please pardon my voice, you can see that I have a little cold. Do we still have parents upbringing their lads to be resourceful, married materials, being useful for themselves and the community at large? My guests are seated and they need no introduction, but for formality's sake, I would like to introduce. Next to me, I have Mrs. Cynthia Odukoya. You are welcome, ma'am. Next to her, Egun Mugaji, High Chief Tunji Onolapo.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Today I want to take up with you. We have parents. We have their children. The parents are bringing up the children. And what's the purpose of bringing up these children? It's for them to be useful in future, not only to the parents, to themselves, to the community. And also so that they can be, those who are female among them, so that they can be wife materials, or let's say marriage materials. Those who are male, so that they too can be husband materials. Do we still have parents doing this?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We still have parents doing it. The parents that I see that are really doing this are parents that are ripe for marriage.
Okay. Parents that they were ripe for marriage before having children. That's what you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Because there are some parents out there now, before they got married, they went through the teenagers age, they went through their youth age. It's a gradual thing. It's different from the ones that they just walk on the streets, they got pregnant, and they become a mother. And among the ones that just got pregnant and become a mother, out of 100%, you find maybe like 35% that can train their children well. Because the 65% of them did not get their full home training before going into
And what you don't have, you can't give.
You can't give. That's just it.
Tunji, still ladies or sorrow?
Well, when we look at it very critically, most of the parents actually did their best, at least to train their kids, and many don't do. So is where one falls into that really matters, because many marriageable age of adults now that are ripe, either men or female, that are ready for marriage, don't really go into the marriage as it used to be.
They are not into the marriage prepared.
And why why do I say this? Is that many a times the parents have not done what they should do for them.
Their homework.
Yes, they've not. So many parents, just very few. That I used to lay emphasis more on economical aspects due to the environment we find ourselves and the economic situation of the country, mostly African countries. Many parents run away from their responsibilities. So even when the kids are ready to marry, you don't want to push them off so that they will have time to, they have like 6 kids and 4 is married. It's just numbers. They don't really inculcate those ideas that they need to inculcate in them before they get out, before they hook up somewhere. Just that let them go. Whatever, because many of them are running away from the responsibility that they need to do. But there are still some in other areas, other situations, that make sure that the right thing is done right from when the kids is giving birth to. They train him very well. But where I have problem is this. I used to say this every time, that it takes 2 to tango. In the process of where someone is well trained, maybe the lady is well trained, come from a very good home. Parents, they'll start looking at age. When it's marriageable age, and the lady hasn't gotten someone to marry. Anybody that comes, they will know before they might be waiting that want to get the best. How do you get the best? Is there any criteria to get the best husband or the best wife? Do we really look into those considerations? Some people will not marry you if you are not having a job.
And you can't blame them.
You can't blame them. And the good guy might not have a job. A well-trained child, a female that is well-trained from the background, and now bring somebody that doesn't have a job. The father will still look at that area and say, I want to train. And that guy might be the best.
Yeah, that's not. I don't consider that guy as the best.
No. That's what I'm saying, that economic
maybe in terms of character.
Character, whatever.
The character alone will not reach home.
But now that's it. That's why we mix a lot of things together. and I'll be very happy to expatiate on this. If you allow me. You see, the economic situation, a guy might even have his masters, he might have everything, but has not gotten a job. And he might be managing. Okay, somebody that is a graduate that is doing a driving job, and your own daughter has BSc, whatever, masters, and he got a job in the bank. And this guy has a good character, has a good upbringing. But because he's a graduate, he doesn't have a job.
No, at least he has something doing.
But some people will not still allow that.
No, I can allow that.
That's what I'm saying.
But when before the guy is idle doing
no one will give the child to an idle person. But economic aspect of it has to be looked into critically. So many people want to work, they don't have the job. But what I support is that don't be a lazy person. Even if you don't have a job, there's something. You can be a farmer.
Sure.
Are you getting it? You can be a farmer. You can start doing some. And let's push it that you are serious. But majorly, the parents look at that in most critical ways. That because they don't want their kids to suffer, both men and even a man wants to marry, they will not want to marry a liability. Are you getting it? So economic has to be a thing that we have to hit on very well on this issue.
Okay, Trudy, I want us to apply break, reverse. When I say reverse, I mean I want us to look at what the parents are doing even before attaining the age of marriage.
Are they doing the right thing?
Are they doing the right thing in terms of bringing? That's my area of
concentration.
I'm sorry, let's just quickly go for a break. We'll be right back.
Ifá Koijaye, Ifá Koijaye, Ifá Koijaye. Television.
Ifá Koijaye television, keep watching.
Ifá Koijaye, Ifá Koijaye television. Ifá Koijaye television. Gbangba la ṣántà àwọ̀ kí ìlú mọ̀. Olúwa ló fi rán wa adé ọ̀kín òjò tẹ̀yẹ̀kẹ́yẹ.
Ifá Koijaye television.
Ifakoijaye Television. Ifakoijaye Television. For your up-to-date local and international news, entertainment, brand new movies, untold story, motivation and inspirational messages, comedies, aroba, history from the grapevine, and many more. Ifakoijaye Television is the best. To follow us on our YouTube, what you need to do is very easy. Search for Ifakoijaye Television Glitz and then click subscribe. You are done with it. To follow us on our Twitter at Ifakoijaye TV, Instagram Ifakoijaye TV, Facebook Ifakoijaye TV Lagos. Our email is ifakoijayetelevision@gmail.com. Our website www.ifakoijayetv.com. For more inquiries, if you want to place an advert on Ifakoijaye Television, just call 082 51 96 4461. Ifakoijaye Television, the pride of a people.
Ifakoijaye Television.
Ifakoijaye TV. Ifakoijaye TV. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching, guys.
Gbangba la ṣántà àwọ̀ kí ìlú mọ̀ Olúwa ló fi rán wa adé ọ̀kín òjò tẹ̀yẹkẹ́yẹ.
Ifakoijaye Television. Keep watching.
Yes, welcome back to the program, Catalyst for Youth Empowerment. Catalyst for Youth Empowerment. My guests are seated. My guests are still seated, and I want to believe that you've been enjoying the way they've been treating the topic. Do we still have parents of bringing their lads to be resourceful, marriage materials, being useful for themselves and to the community at large? Cynthia, let me come back to you. Like I said before we went on that commercial break, I want us to go back a little. Before the children attain the age of marriage, what are the things that parents should do in terms of raising the children very well, for the children to be a good marriage material? In this case, I'm using marriage material because it could be male or female. And also, not only that, for these kids to be useful to the parents that really suffer over them and to themselves. And they need to be useful to the society, to the community at large. What do they need to do? And do you think our parents are still doing that? I know you said some of them are doing it. So what do they need to do?
Well, firstly, I think what our parents need to do first is giving their child a very good education.
Good education.
Yes. It's not a must that child go to a private school.
I didn't go.
Good. So my view is this: a child attend a primary school. After the primary school, secondary school. If you can afford a private school, fine. If you can't afford a private school, I want public school. We have governors there, we have presidents, we have senators, we have people
who went
through public school. So even to me, these days, if not the corruption and all that, public school is still the best. They still give the best education. When you go through their syllabus, it's still the best.
And in most cases, you have qualified
teachers there, well-educated teachers. Most of the private school, maybe a secondary school, an SS3 students that passed out, that did junior YA, waiting for JAM or whatever, they'll now put him there or her because they'll give her maybe 8,000 or 10,000 at the end of the month. They can't afford to pay good teachers.
And can you imagine that such teacher might be teaching primary for even sometimes secondary school?
Yes, like one of my son's class teacher that I went to, she said she wants to take my son for after school tutorials. So I now told her, on what subject. She said she teach just English. If I see any class teacher that tells me that she wants to teach maths, English, and all that subjects, she does not know what she's doing. That all she knows about is English because she was sent to school to read English. She's straightforward. She's not after the money alone. So if our parents can give the children good education, after the secondary school, they will be waiting for JAMB. When they're waiting for JAMB, they should engage them in
one thing or the other, so that they can acquire
not that they
skills.
They should tell the child to go and stay in the shop and sell. If it's tailoring work the child can go for, let the child go. If it is hairdressing, let the child. If it is computer, let the child do something. Let that child get engaged in something, and not the one that child will go in the morning. Kò tí dé, ó máa tó dé. Maybe the father is worried. Ó yẹ kó mọ̀ ìtì wọlé. Ẹni sùúrù ó máa tó dé. Ó máa tó dé. The child will now start coming in 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock, ó di 9 o'clock. Monitor. Àìgbọ́n tí ń bọ̀ kí ló tó ṣe é pé bá àpá ibi iṣẹ́ ni. Wọ́n find out bóyá ibi iṣẹ́ ló pẹ́ sí. Before you know it, ọmọ yìí máa ti máa kẹ́gbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́ àti máa ṣe nǹkan tí kò yẹ. But ìyá tó bá monitor wá lọ síbi iṣẹ́ ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run kò sí nǹkan kan tọmọ ilé máa ṣe. Tágo 6 bá ti lù, àgàgà obìnrin, ẹ jẹ́ kí ó kúrò bí iṣẹ́ kó máa bọ̀ lé.
A ti wà ládéhùn.
And ẹ ti máa mọ̀ pé within 30 minutes àbí 1 hour tọmọ yìí bá close at 6, dandan yẹ kó délé 6:30 àbí kó délé ní 7 o'clock. Tí ó bá dẹ̀ ti ṣe JAMB ẹ̀tọ́, kò ṣe pé kó sọ pé ẹbí akókó ṣe kọ́ṣẹ́ yẹn fún bíi 2 years, ìtò yẹ kó fi wọ school. Ẹbí akajẹ́ kó ṣe ó ti ń mọ̀ ẹbí tó bá ṣe tán no.
Kò lọ sí school.
Kó jẹ́ kó ka ìwé yẹn.
Tó bá padà máa wá tẹ̀ wá kọ́ṣẹ́.
Tó bá ti máa padà wá kọ́ṣẹ́, ajẹ́lé tó bá ti wà ní break in school àbí tó bá wà lọ́dẹ ẹni tó ń kọ́ṣẹ́ gan ti mọ̀ pé ọmọ tó lọ ìwé ló lọ kà tó bá dé ó ṣe ń padà bọ̀ continuity ṣì wà ní. So ọmọ tó bá ti wà engaged nínú àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ sọ fún mi time onírú ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ ní.
Láti fi ṣe ránu
àbí láti fi kọ́ ẹgbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́. But àwọn òbí kan wà àgàgà àwọn bàbá ìmíì wà wọ́n máa ń sọ kínní kan wá ní ọmọkùnrin lọ lè train ní school, obìnrin tó bá ti lọ secondary school ti tán ní wọn nínú lọ school mọ́.
Ṣùgbọ́n yóò fi ṣọmọ ni.
Àwọn ọkùnrin mi ò ka ọmọbìnrin kún ọmọ torí sọ́ọ̀nì mi, which is a rí as an illiteracy idea.
Àmàtí àwọn obìnrin tó ń lo orúkọ bàbá wọn tó tún lò kó máa join them orúkọ ọkọ.
But ní àṣírí àwọn yàtọ̀ sí ìta àgbọ̀ àṣírí àwọn bàbá kan tẹ́ pé tọ́mọ bá ti ka SS3 ó ti tán nìyẹn kó tó bá wà wù kó fi ilé ayé ẹ̀ ṣe. Tó bá lé jẹ́ ọkọ ló fẹ́ ní ó free. Mo wọ̀n mọ̀ pé wọ́n ń damage ọjọ́ iwájú ọmọ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń damage ọjọ́ iwájú títara wọn fúnra ara wọn.
Cynthia ẹ ṣé a máa rí i bá. Aisha ẹ bá a dá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀.
Ṣé rí nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ tún yànnà ná lórí ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ pé historically náà wà wò dáadáa ṣé rí ayé ọjọ́ òun that's in the ancient time kí bàbá kí ọkùnrin kó tó fẹ́yàwó àwọn bàbá ẹ̀ náà máa lọ tọrọ ẹ̀.
Wọ́n máa lọ tọrọ ìyàwó tó fẹ́
fẹ́ nílé wọn. Ó ní traditionally ó ní procedure tó máa fi marry and ìwọ tó fẹ́ fẹ́yàwó ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ni wàá nílé tó fẹ́ ní o wọ́n á kọ́ wo family background wọ́n á wo historical background wọn wọ́n á wo ìwà tó ń wù nílé yẹn bó ṣe rí marriage yẹn òun ló yẹ kí àwọn marriage bá yẹn dùn nísìn marriage kan mi ò sọ pé kò dáa o torí káwọn máa rò pé àmọ́ ń try to criticize westernization that practice now on internet àwọn èèyàn rí ìyàwó wọn rí ọkọ torí bàbá ìyàwó gan màmá ìyàwó lè má mọ̀ra wọn bọ̀ tí wọ́n bá yà ti ní ẹni tí mo fẹ́ fẹ́ ni they don't even know the background of the family that is coming from so ibi tí ó ti ń wọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀ nìyẹn tó yẹ pé tó bá fẹ́ra wọn tán àwọn náà máa produce ọmọ tiwọn are you getting it and I always emphasize on the economy in the sense that ìyàwó bí wọ́n ṣe ń rí à ọkọ iṣẹ́ ní Àbújá wọ́n tẹ̀lé má jọ gbé gan sef lẹ́yìn ọ̀tẹ̀ anytime ọmọdọ̀ ló máa ṣe most of the thing in the house ọmọdọ̀ ló máa tọ́jú ọmọ yẹn ló máa mú lọ sí school lọ tó wọn bá dé.
Bó ni ọmọ tí wọ́n wà.
Táwọn ọmọ yẹn kéré ọmọdọ̀ mama ẹ má tẹ̀ tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọmọ.
ẹ̀gbọ́n tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ní kékeré ni alágbẹ̀dẹ tí ń kọ́ ọmọ àmì ẹ̀ẹ́dínlẹ́kan tí ń kọ́ ọmọ ilé. ẹ mọ èyí tí àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ school nísìnyí at age 2. àtìgbà yẹn náà láti máa mójútó wọn.
màmá tó pé tó bá lọ síbi iṣẹ́ tó pé 10 ló máa dé lálẹ́ bàbá ò dẹ̀ sí ní station ní màmá wà màmá nìkan ló wà níbi bàbá wà ní another office l'Abuja màmá wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ màmá dẹ̀ lọ síbi iṣẹ́ rí á kúrò lé 5:30 láàárọ̀ á dé ní 9 lálẹ́ ọmọdọ̀ ló wà the mercy of the little children tó fi máa dàgbà most àwọn ọmọ ọmọdọ̀ ló máa mọ̀jú bọ̀ àwọn á ti dé láti sùn so ẹ mọ̀ ṣé mo pé nǹkan tó ń fa a lot of things we don't really look at the cause of nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ kí àwọn products àwọn ọmọ tó ń go into marriage nísìn tó fi ń yàtọ̀ mama busy baba busy right because they have to cater for those children they have to work hard to make sure that they have good education because ẹ bá wò náà tẹ bá ní kọ́ mọ́ lọ it's good to go to public school I'm not saying it's bad because public school are not low are you getting me but now even the public school no if you are not financially buoyant gan to send the kids to the public school no ma hard there. Kò pọ̀.
Èlò náà sọ wọ́n fún wọn ní ìwé lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́.
Public school no I'm not saying that but some people might not be able to afford it o. We are just looking at it like that way because the economy is not too good and not only in Nigeria it's all over. Even àwọn tó wà ní
some people don't see it as something that is important. Not even
àwọn mìíràn dẹ̀ tún wá rí àwọn mìíràn rò pé tó bá ti lówó yẹn náà they like it somewhere else but I'm talking about the root cause of pé kí ni àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n go into marriage now we are talking about the parent pé ṣé àwọn òbí ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe wọ́n á sọ nísìnyí pé òbí gan òbí fúnra òun gan ò ní time fún àwọn ọmọ yẹn because
ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo sọ it's not supposed to be like that because òun náà tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ bá pè òbí á ní à ipe ṣé wọ́n ní jẹun ṣé wọ́n ní sanwó school ṣé wọ́n ní ṣe báyìí ṣé wọ́n ní ṣàwò so kò dàbí ti ayé ọjọ́ yẹn tí mò ń sọ tó yẹ pé àwọn bàbá màmá wa wà pẹ̀lú ọmọ ó ní time láti kékeré láti tọ́jú ọmọ yẹn wọ́n á ti máa fi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ kó máa gbọ́ náà wọ́n máa sọ sí láti kékeré bó sí màmá ò sí nílé.
Give me solution.
The solution now, the solution is this. You see, when you want to have a good product, you should spare time with them. Àsìkò wà important. Àsìkò.
Kọ́ wúru iṣẹ́ tó máa gbà.
It does it. Kẹ́wo if the husband will be working, tó máa ṣiṣẹ́, tí màmá máa ta ọjà, àbí tá wá iṣẹ́ tó kó wá mọ́ less stressful. Because obìnrin ní a lot of role láti play ní orí àwọn ọmọ àwọn náà máa ní time láti jókòó bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ bá wọn ṣe kíní kan but not that pé obìnrin náà tá bá ní pé kó wá tọ́jú ọmọ àbí kó mi ò ní pé kó máa ṣe housewife tó pé kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ you can work you can do business and some business you can do that will just take you some hours in the day then you come back home and face the kids kí ọmọ dé láti school assignment wo ló ṣe kí ló ṣe ní school kíní kan kọ́ ní time yẹn go ní priority tẹ́ ẹ bá ní time fún àwọn ọmọ irú product làwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ jẹ so ẹ má jẹ́ ká yọ time kúrò nínú time the time with the parents and bàbá náà tó bá dẹ̀ dé lálẹ́ bí ó ti hustle lọ tó dé if it's 1 hour
bó ti ń kó rẹ̀ tó
if it's 1 hour weekend if it's the Saturday you have time to ask questions and that is why at the end of the day àwọn ọmọ yẹn ìgbà tó bá ń dàgbà nǹkan tó bá ń inculcate sí wọn. But
Mr. Tunji, do you know that there are some women that are not industrious at all?
Yes.
That all they know how to do is
work. Pen. Come busy.
Me, mo bia.
Come and ṣiṣẹ́ oṣù.
Yes.
Come and ṣiṣẹ́ l'office. Àwọn obìnrin mi kò ṣe kó fi ṣe ká o. Wọ́n mọ bó ṣe sọ 5 naira.
The
10 naira. Yes.
But kó jókòó ní ọ́fíìsì. Post tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa yẹn.
Iṣẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fèsì.
Wọ́n mọ̀ bó ṣe ń fèsì. Irú àwọn obìnrin yẹn ní tèmi advice tèmi máa kí ìdílé ṣẹ́rí wọ́n ní in every problem there is a solution. A rí àwọn obìnrin míì tó yẹ pé lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ wọ́n máa rí opportunity àti kúrò Nàìjíríà bí wọ́n fẹ́ lọ fún course kan. Ọmọdé wọn company ò lè fún ìyá kan ní visa ìyá nìkan ló máa. So irú situation yẹn obìnrin tí ó bá fẹ́ good future fún ọmọ ẹ̀ before you take a step you plan. If it's a church then the church you're going to ó jẹ́ mọ́ṣáláṣí ni you can go to your pastor sir I have an appointment and my child is so important to me, my children, they are important to me. I need, if he's a widower or a woman in the church, don't wash it, àgbàlagbà, tí ò níṣẹ́,
tó ti ní
experience, tó ti tọ́mọ, mo wish láti
employ pé ọmọ àwọn yẹn yanjú,
mo mẹ́rin láti employ wọn from Monday to Friday. Irú obìnrin mọ̀ pé every Sunday and Saturday òun àtẹ̀bí ẹ̀ kò síṣẹ́ tó lè máa ṣe tó kó tó gbà appointment iṣẹ́ ìwà àtijọ́ kọ́mọ̀ níbi iṣẹ́ pé ẹjọ́ o kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè máa ṣe ẹjọ́ torí ọlọ́ Saturday àti Sunday èmi àti ẹbí mi. So irú Saturday yẹn irú tó bá ti ní nání yẹn nání lọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ìyá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn because èmi ò lè advice yẹn kó gba ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọbìnrin ọmọ tó yẹ kó wù nǹkan fúnra kó máa tọ́ kó máa tọ́ ọmọ títí it is not right. But if you have a nanny in the house, a responsible one, not the one you don't know the rope, the roots of the person. But if you know the roots of the person and you have that kind of person in the house, Saturdays to buy one day, within 3-4 hours, what's
yes.
You go through your child, you study your child. Within a month, see young go back to what and to your and to jabiamo amo. Tomeba imashate wamo. Tomeba put on, Toban gain, you know. So to me, I'm not saying because you have a child or because you have to train your child, you have to be idle. Yes. Because ilé ayé tó wà sí wọ́n ní àgbájọwọ́ lọ́fi sọ́yà. Ìyàwó láti mú wá, ọkọ láti mú wá, àwa méjèèjì lájọ láti put effort lórí àwọn ọmọ. So àti bàbá àti ìyá àtọmọ wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ jọ ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀. So advice tèmi ní fún àwọn tó jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ ọ́fíìsì ni wọ́n ń ṣe nìyẹn.
ọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹ́gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n bá wa sọ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n ká tó wá parí ètò ẹ jẹ́ ká tó sáré dókè lọ́hùn fún ìpolówó.
kónkónkólókó Àkànbí Ṣẹ́gun Nábì kókónkólóńkó àzé make una dey watch am Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè television make una dey watch am kónkónkólókó make una dey watch am on Facebook o. On Instagram, on Twitter, I say make una dey watch am because konkoloko make una dey watch am. It's good for elderly people, it's good for small children. Kokonkolonko make una dey watch am. www.ifakoijayetelevision.com make una dey watch am. I say konkoloko make una dey watch am. Just click on it. www.ifakoijayetelevision.com. Click on it. I, Ṣẹ́gun Nábì, Mr. Pamela, I am endorsing it.
Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè, Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè, Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè television.
Ọlọ́tọ̀ lórí tòun ọ̀tọ̀ ní ti Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè tẹlifíṣàn tá a gbé kalẹ̀ níbi tí tẹlifíṣàn Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè tí gbogbo àgbáyé ń wò bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń wo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lẹ̀ ń wò káàkiri àgbáyé lórí orin àtìlù pẹ̀lú ambassadọ Ṣẹ́gun Nábì àti gbogbo àwọn eléré tí wọ́n ń gbé wá lórí ètò Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè tẹlifíṣàn ṣe mọ̀ ọlọ́tọ̀ lórí tòun ọ̀tọ̀ àgbàràgbà ni wá tó dúró gbangba á dúró gbangba o la fi yàtọ̀ sí tàwọn tẹlifíṣàn tó kù ní ti Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè tẹlifíṣàn èmi Solid tó ní kí n sọ fún yín pé please keep watching.
Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè, Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè television.
Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè TV, Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè TV. Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè TV. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching, guys.
Gbangba la ṣántà àwọ̀ kí ìlú mọ̀ Olúwa ló fi rán wa adé ọ̀kín òjò tẹ̀yẹkẹ́yẹ.
Ìfàkọ̀ìjàyè television. Keep watching.
Welcome back. We are still here for you. And we hope you are enjoying our discussion. Like we usually say, we want you to be involved in this program. We want it to be interactive. Although you cannot call it, but you can send messages through any of our social media platforms. You have our WhatsApp number, phone number is 0805 196 4461. 0805 196 4461. And we have many social media platforms. Our Facebook account is Ifakojaye TV Lagos. Ifakojaye TV Lagos. Twitter at Ifakojaye TV. Instagram Ifakojaye TV. Our YouTube, just log on to YouTube, search for Ifakojaye Television, do it. You will see us, click subscribe, and you are with us. If you want to send us an email, our email address is ifakojayetelevision@gmail.com. ifakojayetelevision@gmail.com. I still have my guests seated in the house. They are special, and you know how special they are to our program. I still have Mrs. Cynthia Ojokoya. I also have Aisha Tunji Olapo. Ó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti sanwó oyè yẹn. A máa ṣe ìwúyè yẹn ní àìpẹ́. Ìyá àlejò mi, maybe, I don't know, maybe Tunji, maybe you should start first.
All right.
We have children now. They are of marriage age.
Yes.
What are the roles you expect the parents to play to make sure that they don't marry the wrong or maybe the wrong husband or wrong wife? Irú ìgbésẹ̀ wo lẹ rò pé yẹ kí àwọn òbí wọn gbé láti rí pé àwọn yẹn wọn ṣìyàn wípé ìgbéyàwó wọn ó máa jẹ́ ìgbéyàwó Ọlọ́run ló lọ wo ṣùgbọ́n wípé ìgbéyàwó yẹn kọ́ ó máa jẹ́ ìyàwó aláyọ̀.
Okay. Nǹkan tí òbí lè ṣe tó wà very important tí ọmọ bá fẹ́ yàn ni pé tí òbí ò bá ti jìnnà jù sí àwọn ọmọ yẹn that you are friendly with your children. Òbí tó bá wà friendly mọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ tọ́mọ ẹ bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́yàn kí òbí yẹn má kọ́kọ́ ro bóyá orúkọ àti owó pé ẹ̀fẹ́ lómi tó bá kàn tọ́mọ ẹ bá mú bóyá obìnrin àbọ́kùnrin wa lé ní ọmọ ta ni tí wàá ti ń ṣe orúkọ tó popular ní ọmọ olúbo kìíní kan tó bá kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dáhùn question tó bá jẹ́ kọ́ mẹ́ni wá ìwọ má tẹ̀ béèrè kankan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ as a parent just from your assessment you know how you train your own children ọmọ pé ọmọ ẹ tó bá lọ sílé yàn tó bá rí elderly person á kọ́ kí wọ́n á ṣe oúnjẹ because if you téèyàn bá rí tí ọmọ yẹn bá mú yàn bóyá wọ́n fẹ́ra wọn díẹ̀díẹ̀ lọ́yìn kọ́nà tó wá mú wálé tí bàbá àti màmá tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí complain immediately ọmọ yẹn lè máa pretend ọmọ tó ń wá wá yẹn lè máa pretend because àwọn náà ẹ̀mọ̀ ẹlòmíì wà good at psychology ó lè máa wí nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ni so a máa play àná so just relax your mind.
ó ṣe mọ́ ni wàá fi lè rí ojú tó bá fara balẹ̀ rí mú.
so ẹ̀kọ́ máa wò ní ibẹ̀lẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa rí àwọn ìwà oríṣiríṣi àìlè tẹ bá mọ̀ pé ọmọ yìí bí ó ṣe rí ni ẹni tó máa ń parọ́ tó ẹ bá wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ fún ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ẹ máa mọ̀ fún parọ́ náà kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ smart o you know ẹni tó bá wà lazy ẹ máa mọ̀ so àwọn tó lè yẹ ká wò nìyẹn and the first thing tí wọ́n máa ń emphasize lórí parents tí ọmọ bá fẹ́ yàn ni pé kán wo educational qualification one or iṣẹ́ wo ló ní iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wo ló ní kò ṣe pé gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ ló máa lọ school ẹni bá tó yẹ pé ó ti níṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tó yẹ pé ṣe ọwọ́ yẹn gan but you níṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ò lọ school kí ló ń ṣe ò rí nǹkan sọ but you can come and dash me money and you want me to now buy into that I don't know the source of your money you ask questions. Some of the parents doesn't want to ask questions. Wọ́n ní ọmọ ló mọ̀ nǹkan tó bá wò kó ṣe òbí ni máa ṣe kò dé dá òbí ní impact then ìgbà mímọ́ àti pé tẹ́ bá ń sọ fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ àwọn lè máa reason along pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ there is a way you sit the person down you explain èmi ní one good example kan mi ò kò fẹ́ máa sọ much nípa ẹ̀ ìgbà tí mi rí ẹni ẹ tó fẹ́ fẹ́ máa yẹn mo sọ fún mi ní wá ibi tẹ́mi tí ó kọ́ pin ẹ pé ṣúrẹ́ tó fẹ́ fẹ́ yìí is not bold enough kò wá bold enough not to my own family but to his own parents kò yẹ pé kó rí òbí ẹ̀ fi hàn but there is a thing pé tó wọ́n bá ti dàgbà tó stage kan ó yẹ kó lè láwọn question kan láti bí bàbá àti màmá ẹ̀ ibi àdáde àmọ́ mi kíní kan kàn tẹ fún náà ní respect there irú yẹn wọ́n pé tó bá fẹ́ tán wọ́n lè máa control ẹ̀ because there are some parents tó yẹ pé when tọmọ wọn bá marry they still want to be controlling that child wọ́n sì fẹ́ máa dictate nǹkan tó máa ṣe so wọ́n tó bá jóbìnrin tó bá ti di pé wọ́n fẹ́ ọkùnrin tó yẹ pé wọ́n sì máa dictate fún wípé wá ra aṣọ yìí ẹ má wọ ra aṣọ yìí o you have to watch.
You have to think twice.
So and keep parents not máa ń pè tó ń bá ti tó marriageable age they should ọmọ 30 train 30 mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe train ẹ̀ kò lè deviate why should you now be controlling because you don't have a problem if the parent wants to be controlling the child after marriage only work.
Okay, Cynthia kí ni èrò tí yín.
Èrò tèmi ní pé tó bá ti tásìkò kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ sílé ọkọ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí obìnrin náà látòrí obìnrin ní mí a lot of ẹ̀kọ́ ló wà tó máa ń sọ pé tó bá má rí ìtàn ọkùnrin yọwọ́ irọ́ ni ìgbà tó ti wà nínú relationship yẹn
ló ti yan máa yọwọ́ yẹn.
ayé àtijọ́ ló máa ń sọ pé love is blind nísìn love ló ríran jù sí love is no longer blind if you're saying love is blind you're just punishing yourself
or deceiving yourself.
You're deceiving yourself big time. Whatever a man is going to do to you when you get married to that man ẹ ti ó ti ń ṣe fún yín àkóbájẹ́ pé ẹ̀mí tara yín lè ní ẹ lọ sọ́tà àjọ kejì but tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ go through few months relationship lásán few months kò sí ni wọ́n ní èéfín ní ìwà
kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè dé mọ́lẹ̀
kò sí bó ṣe lè dé mọ́lẹ̀ kò wá mọ̀ pé fi ń jáde ní
àrùn jáde ni
ìwà ni ọkùnrin tó bá mọ wọ́n ní ojú tó bá máa báyàn kalẹ̀ òun ti àárọ̀ ṣèpin
ẹ̀rí mi.
so ọkùnrin tó meet lẹ́nìí ten date ara yín tó di ọ̀la kó sọ pé àná yẹn tó pè mí àìkọ́ báyìí mo ṣe you are lying you are kìnìún kan you are kìnìún kò sí trust and a marriage where there is no trust there can never be love. So if a young lady is going to marriage, your mother, our parents are supposed to call us, sit us down. This person you want to get married to, do you trust him? Should trust him or not? If you love le, ti trust bá wà, love máa tẹ̀lé trust.
Love yẹn develop.
Love kan ló máa kọ́kọ́ develop. Character yín láti bára yín mu. Òun láti mọ irú ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ fẹ́, òun láti mọ irú obìnrin tó fẹ́ fẹ́, òun láti mọ ìwà ẹ̀ pé ìwà ẹ̀ lélẹ̀. And I can adapt to it. Àbí ọkùnrin tó ti ń lù ẹ́ tí marry ó ti ń lù ẹ́ in the relationship tí o máa fi gbó tó máa fi 80 years ọkùnrin máa nà ẹ́ ni.
Torí kò lè change.
Torí kò lè change. Bó tó bá rí àwọn èèyàn kan bí ọ̀rẹ́ ọkùnrin yẹn ló pè ẹ́ ìwọ máa wọ̀ rí o máa change bàbá tó marry nsìn tó bá bí kan sì wà rí tó bá ti ń rá àwọn ọmọ irọ́ ni kò lè change. Ìwà ni wàá máa jẹ́. So ẹ jọ àwọn òbí wa tẹ́ bá ti ń rí àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan nínú relationship ẹ pè ọmọ yín bójọ́kùnrin náà ni ẹ pè jókòó ibi tó ń lọ yìí o ṣó dẹjúlẹ̀ dáadáa wo dáadáa wo báyìí wo ni ó bàjá ó ṣe jẹ́ ká wo báyìí in fact kò sí káàmù bẹ́ẹ̀ tí kó wá lówó òwe pẹ̀lú wá lé ká tẹ̀ fi wo bó ṣe níwọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe rí tọ́mọbìnrin yẹn bá wà lówó kò bọ́ sí ìkọkùnrin lọ lo 1 week ní àná ẹ̀ tọ́mọbìnrin yẹn bá wà lo 1 week ní ilé yín wàá fi mọ ibi tó rí sí ibi tó kù sí rè bóyá ọmọ yín gbọ́ngbọ́n fún ẹ̀ ṣó lè kó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ọmọ mi ọkùnrin rí wà ó wà hot tempered láti wò pé irọ́ bí a John nílé kó pẹ̀lẹ́ nìyí o pẹ̀lú nǹkan tọmọ yìí ṣe ìyá John máa tètè bínú kìnìkan ẹ̀ tí mo fẹ́ ṣe máa kọ́ ọ̀bẹ tó bá dẹ̀jọ́ ọkùnrin náà ni ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ lè invite ẹ̀ fún dinner ẹ lè invite ẹ̀ fún lunch ẹ lè ní àjọ báwo ni Joshua máa wà rán lọ níjọ́ Sunday òde jẹ́ kájọ ṣeré lọ sí church wa before you know it you get to know the person your child is hooking up with not that ọmọ yín máa mú ọkùnrin wálé àbó máa mú obìnrin wálé ò fẹ́fẹ́ ríra yín ó mú yín ṣó mú ẹ kò sí tó máa lọ tó máa padà wálé tó máa sọ pé kò wọ́n mọ́ òfegè ni
kò ṣiṣẹ́
because tó bá ti lọ complain yẹn gan ọmọ yẹn ti máa rọ́jú ó dẹ̀ lójú ọmọ tó máa wá sílé tó máa fẹjọ́ sùn àwọn òbí ẹ̀ because wọ́n á máa wò pé bí àwọn siblings ẹ̀ máa fi ṣe ẹ̀yẹ́
àbí
àwọn òbí òun máa sọ fún pé ṣé kò tó ń jẹ
kò
kò nílé wálé wá sọ a máa face it before you wait break up today.
Something that's my
So that's just.
ní àkókò kó tó di pé a máa lọ ní kó tó di pé èèyàn fẹ́ yàwó ní ayé ìgbà lọ́hùn àkínyẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wò ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí ǹjẹ́ ṣó ṣe pàtàkì láti ká máa lọ ká mọ rédíò àwọn ẹlòmíràn ní ẹlòmíì AS AA ó lè fẹ́ AS bó ṣe fi bẹ́ẹ̀ tí AS méjì bá lọ fẹ́ ra ẹ mọ̀ pé possibility pé kí ọmọ kó lọ jẹ́ SS.
ẹ̀rọ pé kó jẹ́ gbà tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyàwó
ẹ̀kan ti ṣe yẹn.
tí relationship bá ti ń gbé 1 month kò sí ilé ayé tàwa ń sìn ó ti wà civilize gbogbo yẹn lọ tó bá ti gbé 1 month relationship tó bá ti gbé 1 month mo rí pé seriousness ti ń wà nínú àárín relationship 1 week àárín relationship 2 weeks tó máa di pé tó bá pè I'm not around wọ́n ti fúnra wọn ní excuse kò lè last but tó bá ti pé 1 month anything can come out of it. ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn méjèèjì ni pé ẹjọ́ gbéra ní kò ṣe pé kí ọkùnrin mi máa parọ́ pípé àbò òun wà perfect torí ó fẹ́ fẹ́ bébí yẹn dandan bí gẹ́ọ̀ yẹn àwọn family ẹ̀ lówó àbò ti rí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ lára ẹ̀ ó lè má jẹ́ obìnrin yẹn gangan ló fẹ́ kò sí nǹkan tó bá ó tiẹ̀ wà very 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 important because nísìn àárí ọmọ mi tó máa bí ojú ẹ̀ àṣekínní kan kò ṣe pé èyí tó pọ̀ jù ọwọ́ couples ló wà so it is very very right after a month of relationship go to the lab do your test HIV test very important blood group test very important your genotype you have to know it then you proceed but when you know your genotype and you find out that it can't work or she fault anybody you go to work out of the relationship but tí ẹ bá work out in the relationship because ẹ bá nínú relationship náà because kò ṣe gbogbo nǹkan náà pọ̀ sí.
regards to what there is some churches do that. Man, yes. Before, when you go for counseling and the writing, they ask for your genotype and other.
That's before marriage.
Before marriage, when you are doing the counseling, and which is good. It's a good thing.
But relationship about to be 5 years before marriage. You can't waste time.
No, you don't. Actually, you don't wait for church. Church is just trying to guide. Some churches are trying to guide.
And both of them are not from the same church.
But it should be the church will call for them to come. I don't know.
And sometimes ìgbà míì wá àkọ́kọ́ tó lọ fún counseling wọ́n lè ti lóyún.
No, but some children don't wait when you are pregnant.
You don't understand, Mr. TJ. During the relationship.
No, what I'm saying, what I just said now, I just add to what you just said.
Okay.
But you don't need to wait for the church when you want to get married. Churches are just doing that for confirmation. Because the church will ask you, are you this? Are you this? Say yes. Okay. Let's confirm before we put. That's why church actually. But when you are courting, it's even for your parents. Your parents supposed to have guide you in the beginning. Come on, you know, some people they be blind with love, as we said. Yeah, you go okay. No, go for the property, and the parents should be principle-minded enough to stand by their principle. These are the criteria. The last time I said something here, I said that I have federal regulation in my house. There are rules and regulations. So when things want to happen, it must fall under a particular rule. This thing has to be like this. So if you like it, don't like it, I will not, because it's a law that everyone has to abide with. So if everybody sets this kind of standard, it will be good for you, for me, and for the society.
Everybody.
Let there be rules and regulations that guides the parents, the children, the society. We have less problem in the society. Are you getting it? It's only when one is trying to, the family is dodging a particular problem, the society is dodging a particular problem, the churches, the religious organizations are dodging a particular problem. That's why you have many issues that are affecting.
Okay. Hi Chief, thank you very much. Oh, I think I found this program very interesting, and I pray with our parents who are listening, our children who are watching, I pray that you'll be able to, make use of this advice, and it's a free one. You didn't go anywhere to pay for anything. So, like they used to say, let me just summarize what they have said. Say, give the child pen, not the other P. You know the other P. I don't want to say it on international TV. give them pen, not the other P. Lead them to what? To classroom, not to bedroom. Don't lead them to bedroom, rather lead them to classroom so that they can be educated. And the girl child, the female child, needs to be protected and not to be molested. Let us protect all our children. Let us not molest them. We still have a special gift for you, and this time around, this one is Airtel. If you have your pen, I am ready for you. Okay, let's go there. 5098 1262 9520 8454. Again, the number is 5098 1262 9520 8454. It's courtesy of our special guest on this program. We thank you very much for the gift. Mrs. Cynthia Koduka, thank you for coming. I, Chief Tunji Onola, thank you very much for coming too. God Almighty will be with all of us.
Amen.
Bí a ṣe rí mọ́ lẹ́yìn nìyẹn lórí program yìí, the catalyst for youth empowerment. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, by a special grace, we will see you next week on Ifako Ijaye television. My name is Samuel Mustafa. I'm your uncle. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.
Ifako Ijaye, Ifako Ijaye, Ifako Ijaye television.
Ifako Ijaye television. Keep watching.